this video, I'm going to show you how you can configure WinPlus-IP to remove blank lines. Occasionally, scripts will be prepared where the producer or the writer has put a number of carriage returns in segments, which result in the import of blank lines. So in this particular example, you see that from the slug line to the body text, we have 4 blank lines. To configure this so they can be removed, we click on Settings and then Preferences. In the Run Order tab, we have a box which says Limit maximum number of blank lines imported. When unchecked, any blank lines will be imported. When checked, we can select the number of blank lines to be imported. If I now set this to 0 and click Apply, when I reload this show, the blank lines will be removed. I have deleted this live run order, so now I will recall it and you'll see that the blank lines have been removed. The run order was the 6 AM. I will reload it, and now when that story comes in, the blank lines have been removed.